Hi, welcome to Smart Record. Today I'll be sharing you the trick how to transfer Amazon Pay balance to Paytm wallet in a very simple process. Before starting this video, I want to tell you one thing, I wanted to give a disclaimer that this video is recorded on October 2nd at 7 pm. If suppose you're watching this video at very late, hopefully this offer might be loose. So I suggest you please like this button and subscribe to our channel where you cannot lose this type of deals in future. Now in the description I'll be giving you a link where once you click on the link you'll be redirected to the web page where you need to log in with your basic details, like you give your mobile number and the password, or you can log in with your OTP too. Once after login successfully, you need to search for Paytm. Once if you see the Paytm e-gift voucher, congratulations, you are eligible for the offer. Why? Because if you go scroll down where you can see number of vouchers like 10 rupees, 30, 50, 100 and goes on, where I suggest you try with a small number. Why? Because when this uploaded this video and suppose if the traffic is more, then you might lose this offer and even the amount might be deducted and it gets very late to get refund. So that's the reason I suggest you go with the smaller amounts. So here I'm trying with 80 rupees. Now here you need to give your mobile number, mail ID, and once if you log into your Amazon Pay balance, there you can see your Amazon balance. Once I have selected it and the payment is successful, now as you can see in my mail that I have received a gift voucher of 80 rupees, where here as you can see it was processing fee of 4 rupees, where it charges me around 5%. It depends on the amount. So that's the only expenditure you get to transfer your Amazon Pay balance to your Paytm. So here I'm okay with 4 rupees, so I made it successfully. Now I need to open to Paytm account. Once you search for add money, you need to enter amount 80 rupees. In apply promo code, which code you have received in a mail, you need to paste it here and do it apply, and within fraction of minutes usually it happens, but here in my case what happened is it is in pending, so you need to wait for 24 hours, but I can see the status is successful cashback will be created in just 24 hours. Hopefully you understood that what is the process, how to transfer your Amazon Pay balance to your Paytm in a very simple easy way trick. So as of now I cannot show you the proof, but I can show you the proof that the amount has been deducted in Amazon Pay balance. Once it is credited in my Paytm wallet, then I'll be showing you the proof in the community data. Yeah guys, this is the process where I wanted to share you. Thank you so much. Subscribe to our channel. Jai Hind.